Multani legal passage number 3 start. The three women sleeping in their home in the night was done to death by firearms, headshots. इसके स्पेलिंग लिख ले HATCHETS and sticks full stop. It was cruel and brutal full stop. Have the appellants done so? Question mark. The learned additional session judges held so and sentenced them to death full stop. We carefully went through the evidence, took note of every item of the prosecution case, pondered and thought over the matter thoroughly. Full stop. We could not come to be sure that the case against the appellants has been proved beyond reasonable doubt. Full stop. It appears clearly from the evidence on the record that the three women with two minor children were in their home in the night. Full stop. The only male member, Meher Khan, had gone to see a mela. Full stop. Next day noon he lodged, इसके स्पेलिंग लिख ले LODGED, the FIR giving one motive and one set of accused. Full stop. He changed the motive and the accused, giving another motive and a second set of accused persons. Full stop. Lastly, and in the court, he came up with one of the motives and another set of accused, third in the series. Full stop. Not only he wavered, इसके स्पेलिंग लिख ले WAIVERED, but the investigating agency seems not to have probed the matter deeply and efficiently. Full stop. The learned assistant advocate general submitted that it was misled by the complainant. Full stop. Maybe so, but it was its duty ultimately of the state, to investigate. Full stop. Investigation does not mean going about as led. Full stop. It requires inquiring into, finding out, looking into and searching for all facts relevant to the unearthing of the crime. Full stop. Layerly or half-hearted efforts never led to successful results. Full stop. Search of the truth is always a painstaking endeavor. Full stop. Triple murder should not have been trifled, इसके स्पेलिंग लिख ले TRIFLED, with. Full stop. Presence of children was natural. Full stop. They should have been examined straightway. Whatever worth their examination may have been, in the absence of other evidence coming forward. Full stop. Callous, इसका स्पेलिंग लिख ले CALLOUS. Conduct of the complainant in giving one story and one set of accused who were innocent according to himself, when he gives different story and names different accused person, and then going on to the third, coupled with careless and inefficient investigation, was led to the situation that three women have lost their lives and culprits not brought to book in accordance with law. Full stop. It is efficiency is rendered useless. Full stop. In this situation, comma, the appellants cannot simply because they have been brought forward as accused at the last comma sentenced to death either full stop before any person can be ordered to be hanged comma his guilt has to be proved beyond reasonable doubt full stop as discussed in detail above comma there is no worthwhile comma reliable comma or evidence comma much less proving beyond reasonable doubt comma to warrant the conviction of the appellants full stop therefore comma notwithstanding the heavy feeling that three ladies have lost their lives for nothing we cannot uphold the conviction and sentences of death of the appellants full stop consequently comma the reference is rejected comma the appeal is allowed appellants acquitted of the charges comma and revision for enhancement of compensation dismissed full stop the appellants shall be set at liberty if not wanted in any other case full stop the three matters